Konnichiwa, this is Maria Erlindana and you're watching Anime Plus.
Moshi moshi.
Hi guys, welcome back for another video, and as you can see in the title, this is a mini vlog. So my Monday started off with me like getting a bunch of drinks and giving beads for my friends. Tapos nagpicture ako, tapos ayan yung sunset. Tapos ng Tuesday naman nag-volleyball kami. And as you can see, we are like training kasi this is yung sakop ng volleyball namin. And of course, after that, nag-Harris Place ako, well-deserved naman. And as you can see, I am drinking the sparkling soda. And napakasarap nito guys, promise. Actually, this is like a mixture of two different flavors and I'm really happy kasi nagagawa ko siyang halu-haluin and nagkaiba yung kulay niya. Makikita niyo naman sa reaction ko. And dito lang yan sa Harris Place, you guys. And ayun, talagang really happy, worth it after all the pagod na nangyari ng volleyball namin. After taking a sip, this is me doing my little happy dance.
Hi guys! Naka-video siya. Uwian na kami! Yay! Charis! Jessa!
Tinakpan ko muna ng teddy bear si Jessa kasi hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa niya. Siyempre, before kami mag-uwian, naglasing muna kami. Tapos nakikita niyo dito si Carla na nagsha-Shopee. Shout out, Carla. Plano pa nga namin dito tatawagin siya ni Ate Ho, pero nakita niya yung video. So, hindi siya natuloy. Pero yun, this is us listening to Ate Hope's report, ganyan. Tinakpan ko na din si EJ sa likod para for privacy. Tapos, ayun. After some break, bumaba ako sa canteen to like buy yung mga product na nibenta ng ating mga CMPT sa baba. And one of my favorites is itong malunggay sweets na gawa sa malunggay, natural. And it's really, really good. And nakikita nyo naman ako dito na bumili ulit. Kahit meron pa akong box before. I mean, umorder na ako ng isang box. So, ayun, picture, ganyan.
Ate, baka nakita ko dyan.
After that, nag-ikot-ikot pa kami. And guess what, guys? Nakahanap ako ng yema na gawa sa carrots. Like, grabe. It was really, really good as well din. Kaya bumili ako 2 pack na agad. And super sarap niya, guys. So, you should try it and buy it for yourself.
Ay! Sayang! Sayang!
Akala ko talaga buy one take one eh. Anyway, ayun, bukod sa yema carrots, meron din kaming nakitang cassava shoelace. Shoelace? Hindi ko maalala yung name, pero masarap din siya.
Totoo ba to?
Para siyang fries.
I mean,
Pero